Hey, let me show you how you can fix this issue when you are connected to the Wi-Fi network, but you still cannot browse the internet. So as you can see, in my case, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi and I have the connection, but I cannot open any website. Like I will try to open the YouTube or YouTube Music. It's not working. And when I go to the Play Store, it works like this, so it's still pending. So the issue is in the settings, and you have to go right here to the settings, go to the additional settings, go to the date and the time, and here for some reason you have incorrect date and the time. So when you tap to set time and date automatically, like in my case, just take a look. I'm gonna close all of these apps and open it one more time. And as you can see right now, I can open any website. As you can see, here we are. And that's the way to fix that issue. Hope you like it.